Hey everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics 4 into your WordPress website using the HT Easy GA4 plugin. This plugin provides you with different analytical data and reports from Google Analytics 4, allowing you to track user behavior on your website easily. So, without further ado, let's begin. To install the plugin, head over to the Plugins menu first. Now search for the plugin by typing in its name over here. Once you find the plugin in the search results, install and activate it. Upon successful activation of the plugin, a new menu will appear on the left sidebar. If you click the menu, it will take you to the Settings page of the plugin. Here you'll see that there are 4 separate tabs available to keep things organized. Now I am going to walk you through all the options available in these tabs. Let's start with the Settings tab. This is where you need to connect your website with Google Analytics in order to measure traffic and engagement across your website. It will also enable you to access different types of analytical data and reports. If you want to view standard reports without connecting to Google Analytics, it won't allow you to access the reports. So, let me show you how to do that. First, go to the Settings, then General tab, and click the Sign in with your Google Analytics account button. If you are using this plugin for the first time, simply log in with your Google account. Make sure to choose an account where you have Google Analytics configured already. Then, check this box to give the plugin access to the analytical data of your account and click Continue. Please remember not to leave this page when it's processing your request to connect to Google Analytics 4. Alright, now that you have successfully logged in, the plugin will prompt you to select an account, a property, and data stream. So, let's get the configuration done already and save the changes. Click on the Events Tracking tab. Since this is a Pro feature, you'll need to activate the Pro version to access it. Next, let's take a quick look at the Tools tab. Here, you'll find the Cache Management feature. Google Analytics data is cached to improve performance and reduce API requests. If your reports appear outdated, or you've recently made changes to your GA4 setup, you can click the Clear Cache button to fetch the latest data. This helps keep all your reports fresh and accurate without syncing issues. Now, if you check the Standard Reports tab, you will see that all the analytical data and reports are showing. Since we chose an account that already has previous analytical data, our plugin retrieves that data, which can be viewed here. Alright. So, now let me give you a brief overview of all the data and reports we have here. First of all, you will see a meta info section that indicates the user who is currently logged in and the measurement ID for which the reports are displayed. Then comes the reports for metrics, such as sessions, page view, and bounce rate. Here, the sessions report shows the number of sessions, while the page view report shows the total number of page views on your site. Next up is the bounce rate report, which represents the percentage of sessions where users were not engaged with your site. The plugin even lets you compare the current data to the data from the previous period. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the Top Pages section, where you can see a list of the most visited pages on your website. In the Top Referrers section, you can also find the top sources that are referring traffic to your website. To determine which countries are driving the most traffic to your website, check out the Top Countries section. You will even find a graphical chart that shows whether your visitors are new or returning. That's not all, though. The plugin also provides a graphical chart that displays the type of device visitors use to browse your website. If you scroll to the top, you'll find options to filter the data by time duration. There are also some quick presets like today, last 7 days, last month, last year, etc. You'll also notice a Sync button. Click it anytime to refresh and fetch the latest reports. Now, let me show you what you can do with the Pro version of the plugin. First, upload the Pro version from the Plugins menu. Once uploaded, go ahead and install and activate it. After activation, go back to the Settings tab and click on Events Tracking. If the WooCommerce plugin isn't installed, you'll get a notice here indicating that it's required for e-commerce event tracking. So, make sure to install and activate WooCommerce if you want those events to work properly. Once that's done, you'll be able to manage a variety of events from this tab, including e-commerce events like View Product, View Category, Add to Cart, Initiate Checkout, and Purchase. Video events such as Vimeo and self-hosted video. Audio events like self-hosted audio tracking. All event tracking options are enabled by default. If you don't want to track a specific event, just toggle it off and click Save Changes. This gives you flexible control over the behavior you want to monitor. Now, let's check out the e-commerce reports tab. Here, you'll find powerful insights based on your WooCommerce store's activity, such as transactions, tracks the total number of successful purchase transactions. Average purchase revenue shows the average revenue earned per transaction. Total purchase revenue displays the combined revenue from all completed purchases. Product viewed counts how many times products have been viewed. Products added to cart measures how many times products were added to the cart. Products checked out tracks how many products proceeded to the checkout step. Products purchased displays the number of individual products successfully purchased. Top products lists the products that generated the most purchases or revenue. Top brands shows performance data grouped by product brands. Top sources reveals the platforms or websites that drive the most sales. This helps you understand your sales performance and customer activity at a glance. Now, let's check out the Real-Time Reports tab. Here, you can see what's happening on your website right now. At the top, there's a chart showing page views per minute, along with the number of users currently active on your store in the last 30 minutes. You can click the Refresh button to manually update the data. Below that, you'll find top pages visitors are viewing, top events being triggered, top countries your traffic is coming from. It's a quick and easy way to monitor live activity on your site. So, that's how easy it is to track your website performance right from your WordPress dashboard. If you have any questions or feedback about this plugin, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll be happy to help you out. So, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you!